We're trying to duplicate cruise food and we're showing you how to make mushroom risotto. Doesn't it look good? The first thing you need is 1.5 pounds of bella mushrooms. You wash them really well and then slice them thin. You put them in a pan and you cook them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now at the same time, you're gonna make your rice. We have 2 cups of chicken broth to 1 cup of arborio rice. You measure your rice, but before you put it in the pan, you make sure that you rinse it. We rinsed until the water was pretty clear. Then you let this simmer for about 12 minutes. Now your mushrooms should be pretty well cooked down and you're going to start on your scallions. You add 1 tablespoon of oil to about 3 scallions. Once that's cooked, you remove it. You add in 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Then you add your cooked rice. Then you want to season well with salt. Add in your mushroom and scallion mixture, and then you add some butter. I don't know about you, but I feel like butter makes everything better. Now we plated our rice and then we added the chives on top, and then we added some Parmesan. Now all that's left for you to do is enjoy it. It's just as good as any cruise ship we've been on. So good. I know you're gonna thank me when you try it.